Welcome to the world of mind-blowing science. Today, we're diving into the secrets of CERN in Geneva, the epicenter of groundbreaking discoveries that are shaping the future of our understanding of the universe. From smashing particles to unlocking the mysteries of dark matter, this place is home to some of the most advanced technology and scientific minds on the planet. Buckle up as we explore 5 fascinating facts about CERN that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. Number 1. Home to the world's largest machine. CERN houses the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. This underground ring stretches over 17 miles, 27 kilometers, beneath the French-Swiss border, where particles are smashed together at nearly the speed of light, helping scientists unlock the secrets of the universe. Number 2. The birthplace of the World Wide Web. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist at CERN, invented the World Wide Web to help researchers share data. This innovation revolutionized communication and the internet as we know it today, connecting billions of people across the globe. Number 3. The search for dark matter. One of CERN's major goals is to solve the mystery of dark matter, which makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, but cannot be seen. Through particle collisions in the LHC, CERN scientists hope to detect and understand this invisible matter that holds galaxies together. Number 4. Recreating the Big Bang. The LHC can recreate conditions similar to those just moments after the Big Bang. By smashing protons at high energy, scientists simulate the extreme environment that existed when the universe was born, giving us clues about how matter and energy evolved. Number 5. International collaboration. CERN is one of the most international research facilities in the world, with over 10,000 scientists from more than 100 countries working together. This global collaboration brings together brilliant minds to push the boundaries of physics and discover the fundamental building blocks of our universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of CERN. From recreating the Big Bang to searching for dark matter, it's clear that the future of science is happening right now in Geneva. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating facts, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow science lovers, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.